You okay, Stace?
I don't feel so hot.
What? You look real hot to me.
Not funny, Bradley.
Maybe you've got chicken pox.
I'm gonna lie down for a bit, okay?
Whoa! A nap on Saturday? Maybe you really are sick, Stace.
Shh.
What? Why?
Mom is why? If she hears you saying I'm sick, she'll...
Sick? Oh, my poor baby! Put a blanket on. There. All comfy. Have some soup. Drink some tea. Take some vitamins.
Mom, I'm okay, okay?
She's just a little dizzy, Mrs. Stickler.
No, Bradley.
Dizzy? Oh! And you're running a fever. Emergency. Repeat, emergency. Is it serious?
She's perfectly normal, Mrs. Stickler.
Uh-oh. Sounds bad, Stace.
Real mature, Bradley.
She's just been out in the hot sun too long. You should make sure she wears a hat when playing outside.
Stacy, put this on. It has the very latest anti-sun technology. Auto sunscreen applicator. Sunglasses.
Mom!
Air conditioning.
Real cool hat, Stace.
Not funny.
Oh, yes, it is.
That is a nasty cough you have there, Brady.
No, it isn't. It's a nice cough. I like my cough.
That's right. Bradley's had a frog in his throat all week, Doctor.
Have not.
Say, oh, Brady.
Oh, man. I wish he'd stop saying that. He's making me nervous.
I wish you didn't have garlic pizza for lunch. You're making me gay.
Your tonsils are infected, Brady. I'm afraid they'll have to come out.
Oh, no! My tonsils aren't going anywhere.
Holy mackerel! Getting your tonsils out is no big deal, Bradley. I should know, because I had mine out last year. Sheesh! Are you a fraidy cat or what?
Meow. I mean, me? As if I'm gonna be a real cool cat.
Duh! It won't be Dr. Bumping Bruises who takes out your tonsils, you know. They're gonna bring in a specialist, okay?
Uh-oh. Looks like this is going to be a job for... the Tonsilnator.
Yeah!
Sorry, B-Man. Didn't mean to scare you.
I'm not scared. I figure it'll be just like math class.
If you divide the
Math class?
Yeah, because I'll be sleeping through the whole thing. Right, Dill?
Like a baby or what?
Oh, man. What's that funky smell?
That's how they wake you up, Bradley. You gotta get a kiss from the 7 smelly dwarfs.
What? Wedgie time, Scradley.
It's Special Agent Bradley Powers on a mission to save the world from Wedgie annihilation, baby!
Real mature, Bradley.
Get him! Yow! Yeah!
You're doomed, Scradley Powers. International man of bad tonsils. Yeah, doomed.
Oh, man! It's my arch enemy, the Tonsilnator, revving up his doomsday tonsil destructor device. Whoa, baby!
What a baby!
Yeah, wah.
Am not.
Yeah, right. You know where they send you to get your tonsils ripped out, Scradley?
Ripped?
Yeah, ripped.
They're gonna send you to the Hospital of Doom!
Hospital of Doom?
Yeah, doom.
We'll see you later, Scradley. if you ever make it out of there alive.
Don't let him scare you, B-Man.
Ha! As if. Scare me? Ah! It's the Grumpy Reaper!
You're jumpier than a sack full of toads this morning, Bradley.
He's worried about getting his tonsils out, Mr. D.
Well, no, that ain't nothing to worry about. You know, you kids got it easy compared to the way it was back in my day.
I bet you had to take out your own tonsil with no electricity or newfangled doctors and hospitals.
Of course not. We had lasers to do that kind of work.
You had lasers back in the olden days?
Oh, no. The aliens was the ones with the lasers, of course.
Aliens? Bet they were from Uranus, weren't they, Mr. D?
Real mature, Bradley.
Well, wherever they was from, they sure did love cows. We had to dress up as cows and wait for them to beam us aboard the mothership to operate on us.
What was that?
I reckon that's the wiener wolf on the prowl, looking for something to put into its food bowl. Well, I got a load of wash in the dryer.
The Wiener Wolf! It's coming closer! Oh man, I think he smells that hot dog I had for breakfast. I smelled some mustard on me. Yeah, gross! Get him off!
Down, boy! Bad Wiener Wolf!
I've been touched by the slobber of the Wiener Wolf.
Get over it, Bradley.
Ah! No! I'm turning into a Wiener Wolf!
Too late, Scradley. You're already a wiener.
Yeah, wiener.
Oh man! It's the Wedgie Wolves!
Wedgie time, Scradley.
Yeah.
In here.
No way! I'm not taking my tonsils in there! In here! It's a good thing Wedgie Wolves have no brains.
How do you know that?
Because their brains are right here.
As if. Those are way too big for Lance and Russell's brains.
You guys!
It's
The living Dill! Those aren't brains, you know! They're my tonsils!
See, Bradley? Dill survived getting his tonsils out, and I bet it didn't hurt or anything. Right, Dill?
Of course not! And they let you keep them in a jar! Bonus or what?
Yeah? Cool.
I mean, it does tickle a bit when the doctor sticks his big, hairy arm down your throat!
Stace, make him stop.
Dill's trying to help you, Bradley. His heart's in the right place.
Holy mackerel! No, it isn't!
Yeah! I gotta get...
A wedgie, right, Scradley?
Stacy! Your crazy wiener dog is drooling all over my tonsil!
Get ready to howl, Scradley. What's that, man?
Yeah, what?
Oh no! It's the Tonsillator!
He's coming for all of us! Whoa! No! You'll never take my tonsils alive!
No problem. And afterwards, you'll get to eat all the ice cream you want.
No! I'll never eat ice cream?
Yep, and you'll probably miss a whole week of school to boot.
No school for a week? Here you go, Doc. And make it quick. There's a couple gallons of triple fudge mallow nougat ripper waiting with my name on it.
Oh, we don't use those old-fashioned techniques anymore, Bradley. Nowadays we use lasers.
Cool! Hey!
The patient is ready. Relax, B-Man. It looks like you're finally gonna get to see Uranus.
Real mature, Stacy!